Welcome to the new weekly Harmonic scanner analysis. This week I would like to show you how to use the Harmonic scanner and just point you out there is a new video I have created for the gold members explaining the filters I'm using when picking up trading pattern for trading after receiving the notification from the Harmonic scanner on the Telegram. In this week I have checked all of these symbols, the bad patterns that has been formed on the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. None of them have been formed in line with the trend, which was the first criteria I'm using. So there is no, for example, if you take a look here, this one, the pattern, we do not have a clear trend. So I have skipped this one, the bearish bad pattern, suggesting further decline in value. I have not to use it in my consideration to make the technical analysis as a second step, because there is no clear trend, so there is no strong power behind that pattern. And that means there is no buying or selling pressure pushing the price in the direction of the pattern, showing in this case a bearish trend. So when there is no clear trend, I simply skip and wait for another pattern that is detected by the Harmonic scanner. When it is detected and when there is a trend in line with the pattern, then I move to the next step and make the analysis. Just for information, inside the premium analysis, inside the gold membership, where the premium traders get information during the week, is there any new pattern format on the chart, is there any new video recorded for them, I send them inside the Telegram, so feel free to check that Telegram and join other traders as a gold member. And then inside you can also chat and also ask any questions regarding Harmonic scanner, how to use it. Regarding notification, you can see that I'm using most of the time the daily and the 4-hour time frame. I have put that inside the settings here. Inside the time frame, I selected only these because they are higher time frames, more reliable, and it is not so often that I receive the patterns on the chart. So if you put on the 1-hour time frame, you'll see much more of these patterns created during the day. So if you like to trade mostly during the day, feel free to use that. So for example, if you put H1 1-hour time frame, you can see that during the day you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of patterns detected. So if you would like to receive them, feel free to change these settings here. After that, you select which pattern you would like to track. The Harmonic scanner will check only the patterns that you have selected. In my case, I have selected only bad pattern. I like to trade only bad pattern because I have made the analysis, the statistics, and I have seen the bad pattern is usually very good when there is a trend formed on the chart, and also making technical analysis showing very good informations. Then after that, when there is a scanner detected that pattern, it is listed here inside this table, and each of these lines has been sent on the Telegram as a notification with a link. So when I click on the link, I simply click the link, and the chart is open with this data. I have a small window here with the details where is potential reversal zone, PRZ. Then we have a target 1, target 2. These are the green lines. Potential reversal zone is the gray area, and we have entry level right here as a blue line, and then we have a stop loss as a red line, and the reward to risk is 3.71, which means from the entry level blue line to the stop loss compared to the blue line to the take profit 2. So it's very good. Most of the time the patterns detected by the Harmonic scanner are higher than 3.0, which is very good. It is very important to have very good ratio. After that, you can make the analysis. You can see how the chart looks. You can use also the indicators that are listed right here. You can pick one of them which you are using, or more of them, and make the analysis to increase the chances of being successful for the pattern. Then you have all the details here inside the table, but also have in mind that the watch list is listed here, which means you can select Forex major, Forex minor, but if you have symbol that is not inside this one, for example gold, you can simply add them here as I have listed all of these here. How to add them? Just go down, find this area where you need to fill and enter the name of the symbol, and it will be listed, and you can put them on the list here. After that, everything is on the Harmonic scanner. It tracks and also detects patterns on the market, so it is on the scanner to send you information, and from your side it is only to react when you receive notification. Here you have also a monitor tab where you have a chart above and the table below. Here you have the settings, which you can also select which time frame, which pattern, on which symbol, and then it will be populated here by the scanner. All the data that you have defined, it will be visible here, but you will have also a status of this pattern. Complete means ready for trading, which means the stop loss has not been reached, the take profit 2 has not been reached. If it is failed, that means the stop loss has been reached here, and if it is successful, here it is, that means the price has reached the take profit 2 level. So it's very good to see all the data. You have a reward to risk ratio visible here, you have the date when this pattern has been created, and these are the details for that pattern. When you click on one of them, here above that on the chart, it is visible, that chart, so you can also see much more details. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Feel free to join also Gold membership, where you can also send me any kind of a question, any kind of a problem. I will try to answer as soon as possible. For example, some of the traders have asked for a video, what are the criteria I'm using for the trend and also for the technical analysis. I have created a new video for them so they can also see and ask any question if there is something not clarified enough. So feel free to check that, join other traders, and try also Harmonic Scanner. You have a 7-day free trial if you would like to try it. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.